Okay, today I want to show what is going on behind the scenes. Um, Actually, I've been developing this, the software for the laptop, but it takes time. Basically, if you see here what I've done, um, let me go into here to show you. So if I go, so So basically, I've been doing this development for a while now, but improved a lot of stuff. Basically, if you see here, so I have things like improvements, but I want to deliver it slowly because there are more things I want to add before I completely give it, and also I want to make sure it's bug free and it's thoroughly tested. So of course I test it through these facilities, but at the same time I need to add more capabilities, like improving over what do you call um, over my software fetching facilities, like how to make sure um, OS gets upgraded and Python gets upgraded, and even software that I build gets upgraded, because these things do change and do improve. So that has to be, um, you know, flawlessly upgraded in the laptops that you guys buy. So basically, I'm trying to make sure those things are all properly in sync, and then I will actually show this. I will make sure this everything is up and running and with a lot of you know information about what you can do. So that's one thing I'm going to do, and trying to see where is my webcam. So is the webcam okay? So so what I'm going to do now is, yeah, my quick point is, I was talking to my daughter and I was telling her that, you should learn Python. You should learn, how to build these AI features by AI itself. Ask AI and it will teach you how to learn Python and how to learn to build AI facilities. So this is something. Then she said, "You know what? I know how to ask AI. So I usually just ask AI, and AI will do the work that I need. I don't need Python." So I was thinking on that lines and trying to see. Oh, people thought. Now also people are thinking that they don't need to build the car to drive the car. So basically, if they know to drive the car, they are fine. But in the long run, it hurts. Basically, if you think about it, we already are hurt. Humanity is being hurt by these oil and gas companies who are monopolizing on car market, truck, or anything that you're building. Now you want to get out of that and you want to be, you know, environment friendly. Japanese car companies, which were on the top, they never built you an electric car. Finally, Elon Musk had to come out and build something for you. I mean, this we need to learn from it, that if you ask, if you don't want to learn how to build a car, I think you are actually missing a point, that you are giving that ownership to somebody else who can misuse that capability. So basically what I try to say is that learn what you can learn, because the AI is something that is coming up, and it is going to be very helpful to the humanity if we use it right. So I think everyone has to take part. To take part in that, your um, these phones will not be sufficient enough to do anything, any coding work. So the best way is, I'm not, trying to sell my laptop, but what I'm saying is, you need a laptop that works for you. And of course, Linus Torvalds gave us Linux, which gave us some freedom to, do our own stuff. But how many are really taking advantage of it? Maybe there are a lot of companies which are taking advantage of it, but it's not popular with common people. I mean, common people should learn to use it. The point is, if you build a car by yourself, you'll be very happy to drive it by yourself. So that's the key point. And also, you know, we should be humble to the humanity, and we should be humble to each other, hold hands, and build it together. So I will try to, provide a Discord links or something, so that we can have a community to build stuff. And I also will try to put stuff in GitHub where we can collaborate together. It all takes time. I will try to do it. But yeah, so what's going on right now is actually I've been testing my work thoroughly, very thoroughly, with different tools. I'm using PyTest to test individual components. I am separating the individual component from my fast fast API environment, so that that's completely separated from my utilities that I use without using the fast API, so that I can easily test it using PyTest. So these are some of the things I'm trying to make sure that they work nicely, so that when I'm integrating with these PayPal kind of gateways, they are also building themselves and improving themselves. And I want to make sure that they don't break my work, or if the payment gateway itself is not working because I didn't upgrade it or something, I should know it beforehand. So for that purpose, I want to build some automated tests. I'm thinking Playwright is the way, but all that takes time, and I want to make sure that these automated tests are running, um, at least every day, or every day in my local, and making sure that the all integrations don't break. So these are all things I'm trying to put in place, and that's why it takes some time to bring any product out. I mean, this product is actually out already, laptop. Just want to make this product much more comfortable, because I still have time, but I need to make sure it can be easily upgradable, and it can be easily uh, you know improved without um, much headaches. So that's the key goal here. So that's why I have to make sure the other product that I'm building, which is again about the home security camera. So there again, I want to integrate it properly with the laptop so that it is it's a separate product. It can be completely independent of the laptop, but it can be integrated to the laptop as well. So I have to build this thoroughly. So basically, also I want to give another feature which is like using AI. We should be able to use it in the laptop, and give commands through the laptop to make our own stuff. So that is again, you can use any of the IDE tools, like I'm using this code, um, VS Code, to do my work. So similarly, we can use any IDE to build our stuff and use AI. So use these LLMs in our laptop itself, so that um, we don't have to share our privacy to the world. But yeah, there are AIs which are cloud like AIs which are outside, but you can even communicate with them. But the point is, if you have it in your laptop, you can do your own individual research without showing the without disturbing the world. But at the same time, being humble to the world, and holding hands with each other also is correct. So the cloud and cloud AI is on that side of the world, and there are others too. So Google's Gemini is again there to help there. But what I'm trying to say is, we don't want to build monopolized groups. Instead, we should share it with the community, and everyone should try to become the best of themselves rather than comparing with each other. The comparison never helps. It's a spell fallen into the humanity. The moment you compare, you are going to degrade yourself. So this was actually taught to me when I was like in fourth grade, or fourth or fifth grade. I was actually my teacher was telling me that I can be the better of myself, and I was telling her, what? There is no competition. I'm the top. There is nobody behind me. She said, that's not the way to look at this. You have to always compare yourself with yourself as how you are progressing. Keep progressing. Don't compare yourself to the world. At that time, I didn't realize what this lady was telling, but now I understand that comparison really doesn't matter. It is actually how we progress, what we were yesterday and what we are today, what we will be tomorrow, is that really matters to each of us. And yeah, with the community, we get the help with the humbleness to the community, towards the community, as well as within each other. We should have the humbleness of the humanity instead of just fighting. It really doesn't make any sense when we understand life. All that is really doesn't matter. So do not compare. Just keep learning. I mean, build yourself. Of course, you need tools to build yourself. So you get the tools and use them for your benefits, and hopefully everything will work out for the better for this humanity and for this society and for this world. Thank you for watching.